Tariki ni mirongo wa Februari mwaka ni wa 2024 gakio kati ni wa gitidia orowega na gitio kinene nditekeria ngoro gikomukira guku kwa Muthingi TV gikujune gito kya mohoro muthenya wa umuthi doka niguo ngomenyithia uria bururi wa gitinda ukigariura riboti kuma county tiganite guku bururi wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma Jawai toka cia bururi toikorokia nginya riboti cia mathako ni maingi maria twikuharireire kujurani giki no mbere ndaya tabatamukira matemo ma mohoro. Mamwe maria tukuharireire arutwo eri a cukuru wa primary wa Eldoret gukua thutha wa gukuo ni miyuro ya mai. Nao aikari a Babadogo Krorogana magitetia kuongereka kwa mitino ya farafara thutha wa andu eri gukua hari ica ikuhe. Nao maafitha a borithi kwambika mugururio wa kuithukia njohi ngananie na kuhinga mbaa cia Kirinyaga thutha wa gwatho ni gavana wa iguru. Na turagete kamuno ni we gwetikira gutwarana ithirikana ate turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV na mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV ni jetekaga wairimo wa Kimani tukiambiriria ni ati turambiriria na report kihama kiria kuria arutwo eri a cukuru wa Muthingi wa Central Primary Eldoret kuko ni county ya Uasin Gishu ni mareketie gukwa thutha wa gukorwo magikuo ni mai miyuro ya mai ya giku iria irakicungiririo ni mbura iria irakorirwo ikiura hwai wa ira. Murutwo umwe arakorirwo akihofanirio riri aragiteithagiriria uria ungi kuringana na aikari agoko maugete ati atwarithia a bodaboda nio marokire guteithiriria arutwo aya indi maragikora ni makwete na riu miri yao itwaritwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya akwa thibitari-ini wa Moi Teaching and Referral.
And we are saying that where we are living is where the gold mining is happening. But we are calling for the help from the community and the government, being that there is a company that is being initiated in our area that is going to use the toxic chemicals that is going to kill our youth, those who are going to employ there. So we are calling and we are saying to our MCA that this mine, it would have made us to learn. So we are calling the community that let us come together so the Chinese company the way out of our world.
Ninasema hivi, kulingana na mambo na gold, nina uhakika kweli watu wa China hawatafanya kazi hapa. Kwa sababu gani? Tuna ukweli wenye walikuwa na chimba na mikono, tulitegea hiyo mali kukula kwa miaka mingi sana hadi na wajukuu wetu. Lakini watu wa China wakikuja na zile mazini na wachimbe chini na mazini watawacha zile chemical na wajukuu wetu hakuna mali yenye watoto wetu wajukuu wetu watakula.
Meeting has been convened and was totally by myself as the member of county assembly. I made my invitation to the city company who is having China members and I invited them for public participation and with the information of what they are doing. They have failed to honor my invite. It has shown disrespect to be working in my and also disrespect to the people who are the landowners of the said piece of land. So we have unanimously decided as people of North Ramba and East Asembo that we are not allowing a Chinese-owned company being fabricated by somebody who is not a member of this region to do mining in our area.
Now aikari amuna wa badogo kuni mushie munene wa Nairobi muthenya wa umuthi ni makirokire kurorogana magitetia ikoshia andu eri iria ciahanikire thutha wa kambuni imwe iria ikirego dogo koro igikira rogiri nginya kuri ahuri biashara aya magikoragwo makionjorithia aikari ago kumaugite ati ikoshire no muhano wa uria maundu magikoretwo guo toaya tumatete mioyo yao na riu maroroganire kambuni ino makienda makaya mao riu makorwo makigwo ni kambuni ino.
George, mimi ni mkaaji wa Lakisama, one of the business people within this road. We are here and we are begging the Spectrum management for them to listen to the community. We have been facing so many challenges, accidents because of this wall. We have been losing our relative here because of extension of this wall.
Naitwa Bwana Titus na ningeomba kama ingewezekana tuweze kuondolewa hii fence yenye imewekwa hapa ndio at least tupanue mabiashara. Kama itawezekana pia tujengewe hizi manyumba zenye zinawekwa za kufanyia biashara ndogo ndogo. At least hata bidhaa zetu tunapoziweka ziko na pahali hakuna vumbi, manake tunaumia sana. Hata wakati matrela zinaingia hapa inabidi tunazongesha bidhaa zetu, mara nyingine kuna watu wanaumia.
Community claiming for what belong to us, claiming for the people who are doing business here so that they get their space, for us to get the modern business that county governments are building right now. This is what we want. This is the challenges that we are going through. There are so many.
Inafanya tufanyie kazi kwa barabara. Hapa ni mtaa ya Babadogo, maeneo ya Gurikola. Na kitu kinachofanya tufanyie biashara kwa barabara ni kwamba wakati hii kampuni ya Muhindi ilianza hapa, tuliweza kuondolewa mahali tulipokuwa tukifanyia biashara na tukasongezwa huku mbele ya fence. Sasa ndio tulikuwa tukikana hiyo fence iondolewe ndio turudishwe na tuweze kujengewa zile vibanda, tukue tuko pahali ambapo tunaweza ongezea vitu zetu na tukue ni kama pale.
Asking them to listen to the heart of the community. Continue losing our relative because of them.
Naguo orere kabe na njohi itakinyanire ikiro na dawa cia kurevia kaunti-ini ya Kiambu irathi na mbere na wakiria mafitha a borithi kuma guku mwena wa Kiambu ni mareketie guikia ngono endia aya a njohi ino makiria ma 100 aria makorirwo makinyitikana na rita cia chang'aa makiria ma 200 hamwe na miratina. Komanda wa kaunti ya Kiambu Michael Mushiri augite ati aria othe megukorwo makinyitikania na mahitia maya ni megukorwo makioerwo makinya maruru ma kiwatho.
Ni Michael Mushiri, Commissioner of Police. Mimi ndio County Commander Kiambu County. Tumekuwa na watu 52 wale ambao wanasafirisha ama wanahusika na maneno ya chang'aa, watu 20 wanashikwa. Wale ambao wanatumia mlatina, pombe ya kienyeji ni sumu, jana ni sumu. Kwa jumla inakuwa ni watu 52. Kwa hii muda pia watu 48 wameshikwa kwa maneno ya dawa za kulevya, sana sana bangi, cannabis sativa ndio tunaita kwa jina lingine. Tumeweza kupata lita kwa ujumla chang'aa na mlatina lita 1875. Maneno ya madawa ya kulevya tumepata lots, mnaelewa lots 750 na pia tumepata kilo 4 ya bangi. Mwanzo tunashukuru wananchi, manake sali wa mbele wa kutuelekeza, kutupatia information. Hii vita haiwezi tukaiwin yetu kama polisi bila ushirikiano wa kila mtu katika kaunti hii ya Kiambu. Zimepelekwa kwa mahabara ziangaliwe, na hakika tukipata ripoti hatua itachukuliwa. Watu wataendelea kushikwa, nobody is above the law. Yule ambaye anahusika na haya maneno tunahakikishia ya kwamba tutafanya tuwezavyo tuone ya kwamba tumeangamiza haya mambo katika hii kaunti.
Natokere hari oishishia kuhurana na itakinyanire ikero makiria ma 30 kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga na mareketie gwikio ngono ni maafisa a borithi makirikana ati ni ahuri a njohi Oganyaga Hussein augite ati amakoretwo mukiramukana uyu kuma kwe gavana wa kaunti Anne Waiguru uria ugite ati irafuru ni gukorwo ikihigwo niguo guthorima iria ciothe itakinyanire ikiro goko kaunti ya Kirinyaga.
The County Commissioner Kirinyaga. First and foremost, I want to tell you that arising from the death of 17 people as a result of consumption of illicit liquor, a declaration was made that all the bars and liquor outlets in Kirinyaga County be closed. And to confirm to you today that all the bars and liquor outlets in Kirinyaga County have closed, have done an operation, and want to confirm that all the outlets are closed except for a few who want to play some tricks on us, because they close the main door and they sell from, but our officers are out and they want to ensure compliance of the declaration that all bars and liquor outlets be closed. We have formed a multi-agency committee. As you can see now, this comprises both national and the county government, and all agencies are here as the CC has said.
Na kuma muthenya wa Saturday ni tukoretwo na crackdown ya kubinga irabu ciothe nigetha we pave way for a fresh vetting, na ni twambirie process yo munde, na ni tura request and othe mena mbathi ni wa Kirinyaga magakorwo within their premises kuma rucio kiroko tondu gwi kamiti ya korya kithiuruka.
We have already arrested many. We are talking, somebody has been arrested in this town here, and I think from here we are all heading there. If you go with us, you will find evidence that our officers are doing everything possible to make sure that those illegal brewers are brought to book, and we want to make sure the county is safe. So we are asking for support and cooperation from all stakeholders, including the media. Thank you so much.
Maybe one question on the county commissioner.
As a result of sale of illicit liquor here, siku yake imefika. Wamerecover 959,000 out of sale of illegal liquor. Proceeds of crime 959,740 have been recovered as a result of proceeds of crime from the sale of illicit liquor. You know, police officers have done a good job. We need to congratulate them and thank them for the good job they've done. Thank you so much. Pablo Pesa.
Ripoti iragicokeraria na maingĩ.
Gutiri ngware ebiso nikio na ithue ria nauma ngo-ini tukiumagara tukeribariba niguo tukahange guku ari tabarira-ini ya mwihang'eri guku kwa Muthingi TV.
Uguo ni tutamburite kio na weruteri waku miethere-ini. nikio tukaga o hau haku wira-ini tukagĩa gĩikaro tukamenya uhangaga atia na wanjĩrĩirie atia.
Ndekaga indo bundi ndekaga indo cia thukuru kuma baby class.
Ngiandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo kĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo.
Nĩ o kiumia wa kerĩ ciĩhanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia ũtukũ.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri o gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV na ni Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Rĩrĩa tũratũra mũtũrĩre-inĩ ũyũ nĩ tũcemanagia na maũndũ matiganĩte, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-inĩ citũ na mamwe magatuĩka rũgano rwa gũtũra rũheanagwo.
Ndirianengeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndarĩ na outlet, ndayambirie kũimba, mwana kĩambia kũrutĩra kĩoro kanua na maniũrũ.
Wathi kĩrabu no nginya ũrĩka ũrĩa andũ a kĩrabu mekaga, no wĩkore magerio-inĩ haraka mũno.
Konge nĩ arata matwĩkirie, konge nĩ endwa aitũ, amwe makĩmenyaga arĩa angĩ matekũmenya.
Kĩrĩndĩ magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera mũtĩ-inĩ, makahũra ngundi ta bag kama bag ya boxing.
Weka atia?
Sasa sijui niĩ ndiũĩ ndoka tu nohererwo harĩ na mũtĩ hau, lakini sasa the end of the day ndũrĩ na handũ ha kũũrĩra.
Na nĩkĩo niĩ Teri wa Mwangi njĩnyitĩtie mũthiori gwethana na andũ mena rũgano rwa mwanya, tũgakorwo tũgĩikara thĩ nao magakorwo magĩtũhe marĩa manatũngana namo. Nĩ o mũthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya rũgano rwakwa gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV.
Twagicokereria nake Senator wa Kakamega Boni Halwale nĩ arĩkĩtie kũrũgamia cira igoti-inĩ wa gũthitanga mũteti na mwonjoria ũmwe wa Kakamega ũĩkaine ta Cleophas Shimanyula. Nĩ kĩrugĩte atĩ nĩ kũmũthũkĩria arĩtwa kũgerera mawakiri make ake matongoretie nĩ wakiri Danson Omali. Halwale augĩte atĩ mwonjoria ũyũ akorirwo akĩmũthũkĩria rĩtwa kũgerera gĩkuũ kĩa ũmwe wa mũruti wĩra wake ũrĩa wakuire na njĩra ya gũkorwo agĩtharĩkĩrwo nĩ ndegwa thengia wa Shimanyula gũkorwo akĩrwo acũnge mũhera harĩ mathaa 28 no ĩndĩ nderĩga gwĩka ũguo.
Wambui, I'm equally counsel in the team that is being led by Mr. Danstan Omari, who are fighting for the rights of our client, Honorable Dr. Boni Halwale. As you'll recall, on the 7th day of February 2024, we came before you after serving Mr. Cleophas Shimanyula, aka Toto, with a demand letter where we put it to him that unless he apologized within 48 hours, we will take stern action by commencing a civil suit before the in which we'll be demanding a sum total of 200 million shillings in form of compensation to our client, Dr. Boni Halwale, the Honorable Senator of the people of Kakamega.
A threat. And Toto said, those are not politicians. He thought Dr. Boni Halwale is among those who do demands and don't implement. We have filed, so we have lived to the expectation of what Boni Halwale is. Number two, why did we file at the High Court? The amount of money Dr. Boni Halwale is seeking, 200 million. The jurisdiction of a magistrate's court ends at 20 million.
Now, following the death of Mr. Kizito Amukhune, there was a post-mortem report that was conducted, a post-mortem that was done and a report returned on two That is on the 29th day of January 2024 and on the 3rd day of February 2024. And of the two post-mortem reports, they returned a verdict that indeed the death of the late Amukune was caused by excessive bleeding that was caused by injuries after the...
I will not belabor more on what the content, that the words that were spoken are unpalatable. They are words not used in a civilized democratic republic like Kenya. They are words that are obscene. They are words that demean.
Na kio kiama kia KMPDU ni mahete thirikari ya kaunti ya Kisii kahinda ga ciumia igiri niguo makorwo magithikiriria na kumahingiria mateta mao kwaga uguo maigemero thi kuma tariki 4 mweri ukite kuringana na mwandiki mukaru wa kiama giki uria wikanite Davja Tela ni ashaite arigitani makoretwo magicungiririo mathibitari-ini guku kaunti ya Kisii akiuga ati gavana wa guku Simba Arati ndakoretwo akimathikiriria gwa kahinda riu.
Solidarity Parade! And today we are issuing a 14-day strike notice to Kisii County that will commence on 4th of March if the issues that we had taken to the government have not been addressed. That is, the doctors, the health workers who are being victimized has not stopped. That is, the salary stopped and not reinstated. That the consultants and all the health workers have not been designated to the right position and also promoted to the right places. So we are not begging as unions, because when we lose that right to strike, then we become collective beggars. But we know that we have the right to bargain. And therefore, on 4th of 2024, all the health workers in Kisii, if the issues that we have amended are not addressed, there will be no anybody in the hospitals. Thank you.
We are here because promotion has not been happening. And when our members ask for promotion, they are being threatened. And threatened by goons. Even goons following branch officials to their homestead. Threatening them, following them with the motorbikes. This is the stupidity that must stop. Amen. The other thing is because this county has chosen that no healthcare worker can go for further study. They have refused to allow men to go back to school as it is provided under our policies. The other issue, which is a torn issue, is actually the severe shortage of healthcare workers. You find that this country has not employed healthcare workers 7 years down. You continue purporting to offer quality services.
2 horses to each.
Aikari itura ria Kanyenti gicigo kia bunge gia Samburu ya irathiro riu mari na undu wa gukungwira thutha wa gukorwo makienjerwo demo imwe kana githima kimwe kiria kiri mateithiriria gukorwo mena mai matheru ma kunywa maugite ati githima giki ni gukorwo gikinyihia marimo maria makoragwo makirehwo ni unyui wa mai mena giko roho kumahuthahuthira thabari iria makoragwo magithie cia kuraihu niguo gwethana na mai maya manyoto kiyo mao.
Kwanza kabisa nimeshukuru sana kwa sababu wafadhili marafiki wetu ambayo ni the Samburu Project kwa ile kazi nzuri ambayo wamefanyia jamii hapa Samburu. Wamefanya kazi nzuri sana. Hii village imekuwa na maji kwa muda mrefu na hata imetatiza mambo mingi katika jamii, katika hii community, maana watu wengi sana wakuwa wanaweza kwenda kutafuta maji mahali mbali, watoto wengi pia kuna wengine hawakuweza kwenda shule mahali mbali.
Before we put this project here, the community used to walk about 8 kilometers to get water from Langusaka River, which is hand-dug well. And before the well, the community, the children used to get diseases like diarrhea, which is this is something that we have not seen since 3 months that we installed this well here.
As the Samburu project, we're very keen in terms of climate action. And one of the things that we do, this borehole that we have done, and the ones that we have solarized, we've got to ensure that we take care of our environment to avoid these disasters that we're getting as a result of our own action.
Na tunarudishia wageni wetu shukrani vile tuletea maji, sababu zamani tunaenda maji mbali sana, karibu kilomita 10 hivi, na sasa tuko na afya nini kwa ajili tumepata maji. Na sasa tunarudishia wageni wetu shukrani kwa ajili ya hiyo maji, hata pia tumepata hata afya kwa ajili ya maji.
Na mwiroreri witũ riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtirihĩra gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria nĩwe gwĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjĩro gĩkĩ nginyagia rĩu. Ngatho cia mwanya makĩria kũrĩ arĩa othe twakĩnyitanĩra nao nenda-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria, arĩa magĩkorwo magĩtĩa kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook, na arĩa twagĩtanĩra nao gũkũ studio, arĩa magĩtigĩrĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ magĩkorwo magĩgũkinyĩrĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩrĩkĩte. Ngũmenyithia atĩ wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa 1 oro nginyagia thaa 4 tũgũkorwo tũgĩtũngana rĩngĩ. Ngũmenyithia marĩa tũgũkorwo tũhang'ĩirwo nĩ andĩki aitũ a mohoro, no gwa kahinda gaka njĩtĩkĩria niĩ nginyie hau njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kĩmani ngakwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega.